Namaste. Welcome to my channel Acute Maths. Here we encounter questions related to maths. So here comes it. In how many zeros the quantity 3 to the power 3 times 4 to the power 4 times 5 to the power 5 times 6 to the power 6 minus 3 to the power 6 times 4 to the power 5 times 5 to the power 4 times 6 to the power 3 will end? The options are A 3, B 4, C 5 and D 6. Pause the video and give it a try and keep watching the video to see the solution. The correct answer is B 4. Let's simplify it using the laws of indices. In number 1, x to the power m times x to the power n is equal to x to the power m plus n. For example, x to the power 2 times x to the power 3 is equal to x to the power 2 plus 3, that results in x to the power 5. In number 2, when x to the power m as a whole to the power n, it is equal to x to the power m times n. For example, x to the power 4 as a whole to the power 5 is equal to x to the power 4 into 5, that results in x to the power 20. In number 3, x times y as a whole to the power n is equal to x to the power n times y to the power n. For example, x times y as a whole to the power 2 is equal to x to the power 2 times y to the power 2. Now let's apply this law to simplify the given quantity. There are two terms separated by a minus in this quantity. Here 4 can be written as 2 to the power 2 and 6 can be written as 2 times 3 in the both first and second terms. Here in the first term, 2 to the power 2 as a whole to the power 4 is written as 2 to the power 8 and 2 times 3 as a whole to the power 6 is written as 2 to the power 6 and 3 to the power 6. And in the second term, 2 to the power 2 as a whole to the power 5 is written as 2 to the power 10 and 2 times 3 as a whole to the power 3 is written as 2 to the power 3 times 3 to the power 3. Here we add the power of the same base 3, also the power of the same base 2 in both terms. We get 3 to the power 9 times 2 to the power 14 times 5 to the power 5 minus 3 to the power 9 times 2 to the power 13 times 5 to the power 4. Further simplifying it by taking 3 to the power 9 times 2 to the power 13 times 5 to the power 4 as a common in both terms. Finally, it is simplified into 3 to the power 11 times 2 to the power 13 times 5 to the power 4. To have zeros in a number, it should be multiple of some power of 10. For that, let's separate the 2 to the power 13 into 2 to the power 9 and 2 to the power 4. If we do so, in next step we can write 2 times 5 as a whole to the power 4. Finally, we get 3 to the power 11 times 2 to the power 9 times 10 to the power 4. Bingo! The quantity is multiple of 10 to the power 4. Hence, the quantity ends with 4 zeros. Now let me wrap my video by saying like, share and subscribe to my channel Acute Maths. Namaste.